Welcome to World of Kinyo. Today we are in Egypt, in the region of Sharm El Sheikh, and staying in the hotel Jaz Mirabel Beach. We're going to show you everything that you need to know about the hotel room. Come with us.
This award-winning hotel is beach-facing and is part of a bigger resort that has got its own complex with shops and restaurants. The room does have air conditioning. The controls are in the middle room. In the hallway, you've also got a full-length wall mirror and somewhere to unpack your case on. We do have a small wardrobe, which has got some shelves, a small safe, and a room to hang your clothes with robes, slippers, and a few hangers. There is also a set of drawers. Bath towels and beach towels are provided. You'll get them provided in a bag like this for your beach towels. Keep hold of them, because if you lose them, you will get charged for them. In the bathroom, we've got a nice big walk-in shower, the sink, the mirrors, hairdryer included. You get your bath towels changed on a daily basis, and get your toiletry, shower gel, shampoo. So in this middle room, we've got two sofas on either side, which have got mattresses on, so they can be used as a small bed if needed. We've also got tea and coffee making facilities. So the room we have is very spacious. It is a family room and it's got double sliding doors here, which leads through into the main bedroom. We have a nice big comfy sized bed. It is a double bed but two singles pushed together. We've got a phone in the room so you can call reception if you need to. Either side of the bed you've got some bedside cabinets and plug sockets and light switches either side of the bed. With your plug sockets, you're going to want to bring a European style plug adapter, the one with the two pins. We've got a vanity unit here with a mirror above it, TV with a good selection of channels. Just underneath the TV, we've got the minibar, which includes a variety of soft drinks and bottled water. The soft drinks are a supplement to additional charge, which is reasonably priced, but the water is free. We've also got a QR code which you can scan to order room service, which is also chargeable. And there's an idea of the prices. So we've got a small table and chairs here to relax on. And then just behind me, we've got the patio doors, which slide open, leading to the outside area. We've got a ground floor room here. So we've got nice views out into the garden area and the pool area. There's a couple of floors above us, and there's about 600 rooms within this complex.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to our channel so you can see many more adventures from all around the world.